last 4 months, I have put out 4 vlogs that have blown up and generated over 88,000 views, over 1,000 new subscribers, landed me in an interview with BBC, and a potential new brand deal. After analyzing my 4 vlogs analytics, I am gonna spill the tea with you on what's working, who should vlog, and the 3 mistakes that most vloggers make that make their videos never be seen. What's up, it's Danie, your guide to authentic video content that builds community and pulls in your dream clients. Be sure to grab my starting on YouTube cheat sheet and learn how to work with me by clicking above or down below. Okay, so let's be real for a second. Who should vlog? Because I normally tell my new clients, do not vlog. No one cares about you in the beginning of your channel. Unless your life is super interesting, like someone who lives on a sailboat. My dad is obsessed with sailboat vlogs, I'm telling you. But if you are not a sailboat person and living a crazy out there life, there is a secret hack to get around this, which I'm gonna share with you in a second. Also, I don't generally recommend vlogging for my new clients just because it takes a lot of work. You have to get loads of video footage and then compact it into a shorter video, so it's a lot of editing. So if that overwhelms you, then maybe plan for a vlog a little bit later on your channel and start off with videos like this that are more talking head. But I think any business or niche on YouTube really could benefit from vlogging because it does build that like, know, trust with your community and also can give a really deeper look into whatever niche that you're in, which is always appreciated. So with that in mind, let's dive into the 3 common mistakes that new creators make when vlogging that force their videos to never be seen and what to do instead. The first vlogging mistake that new creators make is that the title is an afterthought. Do you want to know the secret to how I got that interview with BBC? It's that I used the word digital nomad in my title. I thought really strategically about what I was gonna put in that title, and you need to do the same. When the BBC journalist went on YouTube and typed in digital nomad, he was able to see my video and then reached out to me for the interview. That's the power of a good title. Just because your video is a vlog does not mean the title shouldn't be optimized. 69% of people found my Bali vlog from YouTube search. That means it wasn't just from something that they saw on their home feed, they searched up certain words and my vlog popped up. So I said I was gonna share a reason to get people to care about your life on your vlog, and that is framing your title in a way that is helpful to somebody. You have to ask, how could I get somebody intrigued by this title? How could I give helpful tips? How could I create FOMO from my title? How can I spark that curiosity? For my Bali vlog, I write, beware of this and why I'm leaving. Those are 2 things that really spark curiosity and also a bit of like, ooh, what does she know that I don't, that gets people to want to click. For my Vietnam day in the life vlog, I don't just say a day in the life in Hanoi, I also add on the back end of that the cost of living, because I know that many people who are searching up vlogs on Hanoi also want to know how much it's going to cost to live there. So in order to write good vlog titles, I want you to ask, what would somebody be searching for if they were looking up a vlog on this topic? And a quick tip, titles can be 100 characters long, so like use those characters, right? You can have a front end and back end to your title to be able to try and show up in search more often. The second vlogging mistake that forces most videos to not be seen is that they are not cohesive at all and there is no flow. Now you're gonna want to take note of these 4 things that really make the difference in a vlog that flows and a vlog that doesn't. That's storyline, showing the in-between, the length of the video, and then also music. Your viewers should always understand what the basic storyline of your vlog is. So that could even be as simple as sharing what it is up front. So maybe you say, hey, it's Danie, and today I'm giving you an inside look of what a day in the life in the creator looks like. This is my average Monday. Boom, and then we go into the vlog. Even that is great and sets up the storyline enough. Next, you need to remember to show the in-between moments through great B-roll. A lot of times new vloggers will just only show like the most interesting parts of their day or the things they want to show, and they don't show any of the in-between, which is actually just as interesting. So let's say you were at your house and then you're heading to the gym. People want to see you head to the gym, right? You don't want to just be at your house and then the gym. You want to show the car ride or you filling up your water bottle and maybe doing a little voiceover in between. That really helps it feel more cohesive and flow together. So don't forget the little things. I highly recommend that the day before you vlog, you write out what are all those little details, things that you can also film throughout the day to help create a more beautiful storyline. And remember, boring can be interesting. I remember in my Hanoi vlog, I literally talk about my air purifier and I saw a spike in retention there. And it's just like a little tidbit that people found interesting that I would have normally thought to talk about, but I know I get a lot of questions on, so I shared about it and it paid off. So The weird things like that can also be helpful. Next, many videos don't flow because they are too long. According to Statista, the average YouTube length is 11.7 minutes. You'll find on the internet many people recommend for your videos to be 7 to 15 minutes in length, but I love vidIQ's suggestion best. They say, look at the top performing videos on that topic that you want to do and then average them together and see kind of what's working. And so for my Hanoi vlog, my video was around 9 minutes, I think, in 57 seconds, and the average of the top 5 videos, not including mine because mine's in there now, was 10 minutes and 45 seconds. And so I kept it kind of around that 10-11 minute mark, and not that you have to be that close, but it can just show you again what's working. But also you're creative. If you want the video to be a little bit shorter, a lot longer, that's totally up to you if you think that's gonna work. Again, it's not always one size fits all, but it's not a bad strategy. And with TikTok, I will say people's attention spans are getting shorter and shorter and shorter. So maybe like think a little bit about doing a 20-minute vlog and try and like cut it down a little, just a little bit. Now, fourth in video flow is music. Music is so important because it allows you to evoke emotions that you want your audience to feel. So if you've got you in the gym, like you want that pump up music, or if it's something more serious, have music that really fits the settings, and it allows your vlog to just have so much more depth. I recommend using YouTube Studio's audio library just because you don't have to worry about anything copyright, but there's loads of great sounds also on Epidemic Sounds, but it's not free. So, I'm all about the free, so YouTube Studio is where it's at. The third volume mistake that really hurts creators' videos from getting pushed out is that they only show the good. It's all fluff and no actual substance, where people, when they watch a vlog, they want to see the good and the bad. They don't want to just see that things are all butterflies and rainbows. They want to really get to know you better, and maybe they don't even want to get to know you better, but they want to get a more inside look at the niche or topic that you are making the video on. And so it's important to showcase some of your emotions, and it doesn't have to be as intense as some of mine. Like I show myself sobbing in a hospital bed in Bali, or crying because I'm having a conversation with my mom, just choked up, not crying, but talking with my mom about one of my neighbors who passed away. So it's almost like kind of showing some of these more intimate moments, and not that you have to, it can look way different for you, but people really appreciate it, and you're really able to build that like, no trust factor. And so I really recommend, whatever it is to you, show more of that raw and real. We need more of it online these days, right? Like, and please be a little bit weirder. We need more weird people on the internet, right? Okay, I digress. And wait, I have to give this bonus tip because I would be doing you a disservice if I did not. Please make sure that you have really strong thumbnails for your vlogs. Thumbnails are what's gonna get your vlog clicked on initially. And so I have found what generally works for thumbnail vlogs is having kind of an overlaid transparent image as the background of what the vlog is about or the location the vlog is in, and then a really emotional picture of your face, whether that's excitement or being scared, whatever it may be. That has really worked for me. And you don't need the words of the thumbnail to be the same as the title. So again, pick words that are gonna invoke that curiosity and really pull in your audience. If this video is helpful for you, it's so helpful for me. If you can give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who wants to vlog. And while you wait for next week's video, be sure to check out these other videos, grab my Starting on YouTube cheat sheet, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.